Yeah.
Before
Today also,
later.
yeah, because the guy is still there. But the guy today is not
Where
there. He going already. He finished.
Then not coming in?
Not coming. Tomorrow again day because his duty is starting morning to 6. 11 morning until 6.
They
Then
are
different
coming
people
early, no? In today 6 o'clock here already.
no different guy. That is for that Alwaha chicken. Because all different product, different guy also na. The chicken is normal, regular every starting 5 o'clock until evening, no problem. But the toothpaste, especially that, if because my wife is not coming, that the toothpaste is always morning na. Same like Asco Falcon. When you deliver also before in Asco detailing that morning. In Falcon also, the cut off there in Binmamon, Falcon also is 2 o'clock na. You cannot take money also there from 6 to until evening. That's why when I'm take money there for the toothpaste, I coming there, I'm walking only na. I coming there 10:30. Yeah, because 2 o'clock they close also. You come there 2 o'clock, they will not give. That for the toothpaste. The chicken no problem. Here.
Good.
Yeah. Chicken also have returned 6 breast.
Chicken.
Yeah,
Okay,
have,
no?
yeah, have breast also returned.
Problem that.
Yeah, tama.
That man, timing what time? Morning 11 o'clock?
Yeah,
to 6 o'clock.
yeah, to 2 o'clock. That's the
Accountant.
the yeah, accountant, the closing time payment for the toothpaste.
For payment time.
Hmm?
Huh?
Hmm?
Chicken payment time. Huh?
Yeah, payment time.
Payment time.
The
Only
check.
11 to 6 o'clock. Huh?
11 to 6.
6 o'clock.
That's not the chicken is starting 5:30 to evening until evening, no problem.
Coming.
Console out.
Okay.
That's why I tell to the finance, if you can give, you give na, because I have all this money. I go only giving only to Transpo, no. And also my wife, they are giving also for the Atomy product.
Okay.
But she asking, no, we have no money.
But
This shirt-
I think
This
go
shirt
to
for-
yearly 3 o'clock.
Mm.
We are go 3 o'clock.
Mm.
There what problem?
But today is this shirt also money. That's why.
That time account there no 11
Yeah.
to 6 o'clock.
Yeah,
there
the
no-
money, no money short. Only how many remaining there money. That's why they call this Mudir. He come back tomorrow. Because maybe if even the guy is not there, if the money in the box is complete na, maybe they will give. But this showing to me the money is small.
Tomorrow.
Yeah, I think 400 only, but the giving for the ano is 600 plus. That's why they asking the one
Why
new
no?
guy, you come back
Only
tomorrow.
accountant only give accountant.
Yeah, the
No other
one.
person, no?
Yeah, no,
Yes, sir.
the one guy accountant for the other product for the toothpaste na is different for the chicken. It's different. The two guy for chicken is still there until 8 close na. Starting 5:30. Different guy also.